strong looking. That would scare the living daylights out of me if I ran into this in the water. They look like one post.
If I go there, then I will.
Here's a king vulture. Oh, I said a king vulture. Right there. Look at the picture beside you, bro. But there's actually right there.
There's two.
Alright, so people, here is the stylish John Crow.
Oh, there I go.
The girl, that big bird. Feed them.
Oh,
Oh, Milani.
Oh my God.
Don't say that.
Look at those. Look, Daddy, look. Go.
John Crow. John Crow. John Crow.
John Crow.
John Crow. He's not responding. Let's see if his partner will respond. Their partner. Don't frighten the bird, them and no girl. Alright, I want to get cozy.
Can I go where the kids are at?
Why am I thinking that on autumn? He said those snakes are extremely poisonous.
Yes, Daddy. Did you know they go wrapping around your neck until you're dead, and then they start eating you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why am I?
Oh, look. Look at that one up there.
We got a monkey. This is how we adjust the lens here.
Monkey is so cute.
Like that?
Yeah.
Say cheese monkey.
No?
Say cheese monkey. Oh, there's one up there.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Climbing up in this good.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Do you really want to be in here?
Mom, those are baby monkeys.
Did you know they stay together for life with the one that they love?
Yes, I know that. Oh, that's a
Some
fish.
girl are drunk or doing. I'm on a flamingo.
Oh, that's a big fish, Bobby.
Yeah, dead meat and pick up.
I want to catch it up. Oh, I see a big fish. Giant. Mommy, you should go like fishing here.
Yeah, man.
Mommy, you should go like fishing here and stuff.
What's hot out here today?
Hot. I think Mommy, can I feed them?
This is Milani's first time to the zoo. Well, no, not really. Well, this is the first time she can remember.
Hi, flamingo.
Oh, the fishes are a lot.
The fishes are huge.
Yes, I see this one. Oh, Mommy, that's a catfish.
A catfish?
Yes.
You see in the water, Papa?
I see a catfish. I see it.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see.
look in the water. It's a lot of them. Look.
Daddy, I can see a catfish.
Fish that look drunk.
Where? Kai.
Fish
Very
is huge.
unnatural.
Where? Oh, I can see the catfish, Kai.
With the kids.
I'm gonna go over there.
No, you're not. You can't do that.
Can't go.
I'm sure.
Are you serious?
I want to go over there and also over. I wish I could go over there and like feed them.
They're big.
Yes, they say there's some babies here, but there's no babies now.
We can go this way or that way. Let's go this way. Because I'm sure we'll come back around, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope it's this.
1994, this loop opened and something, I don't know.
They said there's snakes here, Daddy. Daddy,
Oh, look, I think these are lizards and stuff.
Daddy, did you know
Please give us.
I love snakes?
You love snakes?
Yes. Last time some person came here and the
So I don't
snake
think
was
you're gonna
on
see
one of
snakes.
my this.
Look. What am I looking for in the water? Turtle tech.
Toothpick? Oh, it's
No, lots of fishes. Okay, we don't want to see no fish. Come, let's go. Yeah, we want to see something more than fish.
Hello, welcome to the Venom House. So we have 3 eyelash vipers here. We have Goldie. She's the one over here.
Goldie.
Yep. She's the one underneath the paper.
Underneath the paper. Oh, I see her over there.
Yep.
Look up where the brown paper is, Papa.
Yep, she's yellow. So if you
See, she's yellow.
Yep. And we also have Sandy. She's the one over here. So you
Well, I can see
see right here. You can kind of see her a little better.
Can you see her?
Oh yeah, she's
Yeah.
right there.
And we have another one, but I don't know her name, unfortunately. She's up there. Yeah, she's behind us like
Like in the nest?
straw. Yeah. Straw.
That one's yellow too.
Yep, they're all yellow. They're all eyelash vipers.
Eyelash wipers?
Yeah, so these guys are very venomous.
Some meat pepper.
This is a, look at the habitat though. Wow. You see it, Papa?
No.
Okay, come right here. Let me show you. Look right there. Underneath everything. On the ground. Sleeping. See?
Oh, that looks like a grown cheetah.
It's kind of small though.
Oh, wow.
You see it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Right there.
It's a good thing you were here telling him. I would have never seen that. What's he talking about?
Does it look like they were babies? She had 3
Babies.
little leg, I guess.
Nice habitat though.
I want to go to the next one then.
Want to go on to the next? Okay, come on.
Before.
Seen those on this for Papa?
Yes.
In like a movie?
No.
Is that his leg?
I hope there's other ones. Sometimes
Covering his eyes. Oh.
I think they eat mango.
Think they eat fruits?
Yes. Look, Mommy, there's a mouse.
He's covering his
Look, it's a mouse. It's a mouse.
There's a mouse right there.
Oh look, yeah. I wonder if they eat mouse.
No, they eat vegetables.
So the mouse is just like here?
Yes, the mouse.
Okay. A
That
bonus.
mouse shouldn't be there.
Really? Well, it's a bonus.
One day, one of the squirrels got in the jaguar enclosure.
Oh boy.
Didn't come out.
This is the treetop observation station. You climb up top. Melanie, I'm kind of them gone left me. Oh, they actually have a walkway out here for people. You see it?
I hate Melania said, oh, I wouldn't want to go on that.
Hold on to the railing.
You want to go over there?
Yeah, the vultures and hawks. King vultures, John Crow. And we got lots of kids. Well, it's a summer camp of some sort. Red-tailed hawks,
Brazilian
vulture.
porcupine. I saw Brazilian porcupines before. Yeah.
Where'd you see a Brazilian porcupine before?
On videos.
King vulture. I'm going one more time for the king vulture. Jankro in live person. Living color Jankro. Oh, his head can go 360, bro. Yes.
360.
Okay, keep going.
Come, Papa.
Daddy, did you know owls can turn their head all the way so you can see back?
I think that king vulture did the same just now.
Yeah, I think so. I never seen any of these. I don't see a giraffe anywhere. Well, oh, check the monkey.
Boy, I look like thing gets serious. I don't know if they're fighting or playing.
Yes. 8 of them in there.
Go ahead, yes, so.
Mommy, look at the monkeys.
Yeah, I see that.
Do you see more of them, mommy?
Yeah, look. I can see some from over here. You're about to fall, Mommy.
No, they're not.
What are they doing? Mommy, that monkey.
All goes up until they like both goes up and they go there.
There's something that
See,
came
there's
out.
something hanging out his butt.
Yes. Something has. Yeah. No. No monkeys.
Is that a worm or something?
There's something coming out his butt.
This one is grooming itself.
And grooming himself?
Yeah, taking care of his body and stuff. Just chilling. Hi.
Yeah. Has
Probably has hello, my dog.
coming with you and then we went.
This one keeps doing the same thing.
Monkey. That looks like Prince Monkey would do. Yeah, monkeys will do that and then they fall off.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. You look pretty young.
Yeah. Yeah, he looks
Young and playful.
yeah. Yeah.
This is one you give me in body. I want to go on this one. Man, you shoot out a load of power, you know. Monkey nuts.
Thing coming out.
Watch out, hey. You turning body, give me two bomb, but yeah, let me back up. Look, the monkey turning body, give me two bomb. No, some things I don't know, they do.
Look at the monkey, look at the monkey.
You know, so they're super smart, man. Monkeys are one of the smartest.
Where are we going next?
Yeah, so.
Where?
Yeah, this way.
No feeding.
Look.
Getting a lot of hangout time. What's over here? Oh, another species.
Monkey.
These are the squirrel monkey.
Squirrel monkeys are so cute.
They are.
They look like squirrel.
That they do.
White nose coaty. Mommy, I see white nose coaty before.
Oh wow, we didn't see these ones. Look at these. Look at these. Kai, look at this, Kai. Come here. Look right here. These are the cotton top tamarind. They kissed each other. They're like, we're out of here. I've never seen this species of monkey before.
I never seen these species of monkey either.
Cotton top tamarinds.
Cotton tamarind.
Yeah, cotton top tamarinds.
They're very smart. They know how to live in the trees. Most of their food and stuff is in there. Let me show you something over here. I got two things. Up there in that corner is, do you know what that guy is? See that furry thing up there?
Is that a... Oh,
That's a sloth. His name is Dustin.
How can it
and
be
Dustin...
Is this Mars?
Is he smart?
Oh, that? I've never seen this type before.
That guy is
Sloth?
a lion-headed tamarin.
Don't, look, Kai, look.
Lion.
Right in front of you.
Yeah. Over there you saw a cotton.
Can it roar?
It's a golden-headed lion tamarin.
Is it the baby one?
He's not. He's full grown. He's just small.
Take care of them.
I don't get to take care of them. Our zookeepers get to take care of them. And then my favorite surprise of all. Come here and look at this.
Come on, come on.
That looks like a cheetah.
Close. Try again.
Oh,
What's the cheetah or a jaguar?
I think it's
That's a jaguar.
Oh wow!
And that jaguar, it's a woman. Her name is Messiah.
Messiah.
She just turned 20. Christmas Eve was her birthday.
Can she run?
Well, 20 is really old for a big cat like that, and I've seen her climb, but I haven't seen her run too much.
Is there zip lines? Remember last time when we went to a big funeral? We went to a big funeral and someone had a lizard pet.
I wasn't with you for that. Now, you see that ramp that goes up? Messiah does climb and walk up there, and she goes to the other side. She has another house on the other side she can go in. Another habitat. But isn't she beautiful?
She is big.
She's big.
So she doesn't feel confined and trapped.
No.
She has all that space to work with.
All that space.
Nice.
Sometimes she climbs up the ramp and gets in the middle of the, we call them tunnels up there, and just lays down there. And then nobody knows where she is until we look up there and go, oh, there she is.
Beautiful habitat. Oh,
There is a zip line over there. But you know what? You have to grow a little bit before you can go. You're probably
She turned 4. That's 6.
But you're both very nice looking.
You want to keep moving now? Okay.
Down here, the next thing you're going to see are the giant otters.
Otters.
Otters?
Yeah, they're right down there. Enjoy your afternoon.
Thank you, we appreciate it.
Wait! Otters were right over here. People think otters were
I wonder if I can reach the giraffe. What's that place, Abby?
Baby, remember the last time you want some juice?
What's up? Ice sweet. Do we have juice all this time?
What? I think that's the otter.
Oh. Good God, man. Hey, baby. Oh.
Yeah, dead.
You're dead, Toasty. Oh, here comes the otter. Come here. Look, no, do not hit the glass. Do not touch the glass. Just watch it. You know, they're pretty, I think they're pretty skilled hunters, you know.
Yes, and builders.
And they're pretty dangerous.
And good.
Or when they want to be.
Builders too.
Look down here. Look down here.
They're really.
They're all muscle.
Swimming.
Can you swim like that, Papa? You think so?
I can swim like that. I saw a catfish over here.
Damn, look at the size of this fish.
That catfish. That was the catfish.
Oh, let me see that. Me drone.
That's the other catfish.
I can't even see it in the water. See from different angles.
I don't want to swim there. Look at that one. Look at that one, Kai. Look at that one. Yeah, that's a catfish, Mom. That one's big. What was inside it?
That brush past you at the beach, you already know. Where are the otters? Oh, they got out. Oh, they're over here.
I see an otter, Daddy.
You see an otter? Oh, it's swimming again?
Oh, I see an otter.
Oh, there goes another one, swimming again.
Otter.
I didn't know that they got this bigger and look strong looking. That would scare the living daylights out of me if I ran into this in the water. They look like one puss.
If I go there, then I will.
It literally looks like a cat.
Right?
Yeah, it does look like a cat.
Oh, they're super cool.
Where was the otter? Mommy, when I was an otter. I go like. And I go like.
Alright, come, let's go this way.
He's obviously a zookeeper.
Yeah, man. It's hot in here, but it's not.
It's not as hot as the last time we came here.
Yeah, it's not dying hot. The sun is not out like that. The humidity is up, but the sun is not out. That's some pretty birds over here. Look, Nika is chilling, boy. That's good. You want to share everything with your sister, though. And she's feeding them over there, the keeper.
Mama, can I feed them?
Maybe
Oh, that's a parrot. Mama, can I feed it?
And if it fly past me like that, I would have ran
Oh,
out of
there's
the
monkeys.
obviously it's not
There's
scared.
monkeys.
Look at the monkeys.
Oh, they share habitat.
Mommy, can we feed them?
No.
Why? Oh, I see a tortoise. I see a turtle.
You know what I love about here?
Yes.
You don't look like.
They don't look like they're dying not to be in this zoo.
Yeah, you know, sometimes you go somewhere and you're like, oh, I hate seeing animals locked up like this. In here, this is like luck. I know they spent millions and millions of dollars on this place because it's freaking awesome.
That is.
Big and airy, and they have.
There's actually a disease that the animals go through when they're in a habitat for too long and it's not conducive to their health, like this place is too small. Yeah, and you'll see them in the zoo looking weird or looking sick.
But these animals look like they're enjoying themselves in here.
These animals look like they're well taken care of.
And look, the monkeys are all around her. She's not afraid neither.
Look like they have
Now tell her something that's afraid, you know. Don't make sure you don't knock the glass or anything, okay? Just look. See how their keeper is feeding now? Look. So she's not afraid.
Then can we go there?
Yeah, their habitat is beautiful.
Look at the parrot.
Daddy, look what
Sai, stop shouting, bro. And yes, see a squirrel that come talk to you. The squirrel want to be a part of this so bad.
Oh. Ben Noir.
The scoop on the poop. Scoop on the poop and the one on the poop. I hope my mom's making them.
No, this is how I real rat, you know. Watch out. Rat in there, no. A rat not supposed to be in there, no. You see the rat, mommy? That's on the floor.
Where's the Capri Bottom, Daddy?
Come, I was trying to show you the rat.
The last time we came here, these weren't here.
All these chairs and
These
stuff.
chairs.
I think they were, but we just walked through so fast. Oh, look at
Or
these.
maybe because I had a
Yeah. And we did walk through fast, but we didn't stop like this. Look at that monkey up there. See the one on the top?
The otters again.
You want some?
Come on, Daddy, what are you taking a picture of?
You see those piggy looking things over there? Tapers?
Where?
Over there.
Ew. sound and making that sound.
He's telling the people he's here.
But did I say, I never noticed some sounded off still. So I was saying this fella right here is from Westmoreland. And I recognize him.
How did he make that sound?
And then brethren right next to him. But we're not going to show you the other one because the one of them look alike. Come on.
Oh, they're feeding them over here, mommy.
Mom, what's that one? Yeah. Or both.
Who's making that sound?
Daddy, is there more of yours? Hi, baby.
Okay, come.
Me surprised me Jamaica Black video do so good. The family reunion one. And babe, you come to me say YouTube released the video. I posted that video to see if YouTube was gonna catch the copyright music because at the reunion appear all time Jamaican song they play. When me look, it's a video release 11 hours ago. Me say me
It's a video put up on me, just share it. And then I'll say you have it fine and you.
me schedule if we go release the next week. Let me take a picture.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Hi. Hi. What's he doing?
He is.
What's he doing?
He's cleaning himself, I think. I think that's how they clean it. to their one another. They're talking.
Alright, get off like that.
Easy peasy. Why is he undoing that?
Grooming himself.
Grooming himself.
Or herself. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl.
Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Hi, birdie. They said we could eat them.
No, we can't feed anything in here. We'll have to be a zookeeper.
What?
We'll have to
What?
be a zookeeper.
You look amazing.
I'm confused now. Expression of Africa. Expression of
Is a meerkat?
3523.
You know, Papa, you know. Oh, wow. Uh-huh.
Look, it's a dry out boat. I think they just
Them look like sound like a teething animal. Come and dig up the place.
Mommy, you're supposed to see the giraffes.
Boy, their house nice though.
That it is, and big and spacious.
You show off, brother. Get your hand off the glass. You don't have to be touching up the glass. Somebody has to clean it.
I hope the giraffe wants to see. Can we go on the number one? Mommy, can I go on the number one?
Yes. Oh. Okay.
The little meerkat. Mommy, what's that?
Oh, wow. There's more meerkats.
Where?
Up here.
I think there's a meerkat.
Okay. It's not for you. I only take pictures from now on. The hissing cockroaches in the tree cot. You see them?
They're fake.
They're big.
They're fake.
Yeah.
Do they actually move? Ew.
Madagascar hissing cockroach.
Mommy, what's this?
This is you.
You see how fast I float?
Yeah. See that?
Because they're sitting there fly through. Oh my God.
Talking up the nooses.
Those look like the real ones.
Bro, that's such a freaky sound. Sweet. Alright.
Oh, that's a okapi. Whatever that means.
Him look like something mixed with something. Two something we shouldn't meet and catch one.
This look like a mix between a horse and a
And this bird right here is a what? This is Africa.
This definitely look like a mix between a horse,
Look at the little animal behind it. Look like a llama.
a zebra.
You see it?
Yeah, let me see it. It does look like a llama. Hi, Milani, wait up.
grab you. Look like some dinosaur.
That they do, they're huge.
The features though.
Mommy, look at that bear. That bear's Mommy, look at the polar bear. Look at them. They're flashing. And they're playing. If I was there on the house flashing, if I saw them fall down there, I would completely under the line. That's the mommy bear. Here, like. How would you hurt Daddy, did you know ostriches can go super fast?
Super fast.
Yes. Because this place is big and they can run all over. Oh, Daddy, look, that's a camel. Those are deers. Sure, they're having Was there no zebras, Daddy?
There were when we came the last time, but you were like 4, 3, something like that. 4. Alright, let's go, Mommy. We're ready to go. Come, Milani.
Yeah, it's the end of it, mommy. Walk all out.
I'm itchy.
Okay.
Can you pick me up?
Yeah.
Can you see them, Kai?
Mommy, don't put your foot up there.
Why?
Because she said don't. He ran inside.
Mommy, what's the monkey doing?
Eating their dinner.